like to call that the spider move, you know, because that's the way I read that chart. And this causes the bounce. Whenever you see this kind of a gyration fast, and then it comes up and comes down, it looks like, oh, we're going to go crazy here. And then you will start to see things that, what I call the spider pattern, because this is, first of all, a bounce pattern that's trying to do a retracement. And I've labeled this spider because to me it looks like a spider. You know, this is the guy's head, and this is one of his arms here, and then he reaches up and he pulls himself up. That's why I call it the spider. And you can see this 44, how I said yesterday, that's trying to be protected. That will usually be at this spot right here. So that 42 to 44 we call support today, realistically, right through here. And that's how I've learned to read this pattern. So it looks like this thing is okay, you can't break this high. But then the goal, this first bounce up here, takes this thing right up, and then it holds firm, and then this is the pull, this is the reach. All right, anybody, what time is it? 10:19. Time and price coming into what we want. This is that retest, 61, and what did I say? 61.75 is the measured move. Not quite there. 61.63 was our measured move. So if you get into this, well done. Right, 61.63 was T1 today. Not quite there. But this is the back end, and we go to anything, but I said above that I thought would be harder to do. And just, you know, was gunning stops. Let's see. And this high, I said right here, this should be our controlling high. If they bust that, then a lot of pain for the shorts. But this is where I thought would be our primary resistance. And as such, I thought the 58, because the boys need room to get in. They don't get in with a 2-point range. And that I've identified on a couple of the other charts. We'll go back and take a look. So I think that's the key for now. Ultimately, if the boys are going to be bouncing more, they're going to have to take that high out and keep it. And for now, I think, you know, I was assuming with news tomorrow that's very important, that this bear flag that's building, that would be our primary stop zone today, as Zeke has put it. So anybody played long side and got this right and got this squeeze right, congrats. And if you didn't, no worries, but at least learn from it and understand why we thought that this would be a high odds target zone. And I said, I don't think it's yet. I said, I don't think yesterday. I think it'll be today. We need more time to balance out with why. Good trade.